Hello everyone, friend Mike here. Creating professional advertising usually requires a team of cameras, actors, a studio, and editing. But today, I want to test how much of this process can be replaced by artificial intelligence. The main reason I decided to test Dreamina right now is Seedance 2.5. Dreamina is a global platform for the first launch of Seedance 2.5. The full Seedance suite is available right inside the platform. So today, I won't just be showing you another AI service. I want to test it in the real process of creating an advertisement. So sit back and get comfortable. Like this video. Let's go. I'll start with just an idea and try to create a full-fledged short commercial without a physical product, without professional product photos, and without any pre-shot video. So let's get started. I'm opening Dreamina. Dreamina is an AI content creation platform from ByteDance. It features image generation, image editing, video generation, and tools for creating digital avatars. But today, I'll be focusing primarily on Seedance 2.5. For this project, I'm going to create a fictional model of premium sneakers called Nova 1. These will be black, futuristic sneakers with metallic silver details. First, we need to create a product image. I'm opening the image generation section and entering the prompt, premium black, futuristic, high-performance sneakers with metallic silver decals, a sculptural aerodynamic sole, and minimalist branding. Professional luxury product photography, dark studio environment surface, dramatic soft lighting, realistic materials, commercial advertising style. I'm selecting the horizontal format and starting the generation. Dreamina creates several variations. At this stage, I need the cleanest and most realistic product image. The proportions should look natural, and all the main details should be clearly visible, because we will be using this image as a reference for the video later. This option looks good. The shape turned out neat, and the combination of black and silver colors looks good. I'm choosing this option. Now, this is our main image of the fictional premium Nova 1 sneakers, and we can move on to Seedance 2.5. I'm opening the video generation section, selecting Seedance 2.5, and uploading the image of my sneakers. For the first test, I want to do something simple. I'm entering the prompt. A slow, cinematic camera orbit around the sneaker, soft silver light sliding across the surface and highlighting the materials. There's a light fog in the background. The sneaker remains completely still and keeps its exact original design. Premium luxury commercial shoot. I'm starting the generation, and here is the result. The camera movement looks smooth, the light moves naturally across the product's surface, and most importantly, the sneakers still look like the original image. This is one of the main advantages. Seedance already knows what the product should look like, so it doesn't need to create everything from scratch. The main task here is to create the movement, lighting, and camera work. For product advertising, this gives much more control. Now let's make the task more complex. I want the sneakers to interact with the environment. I'm selecting Seedance 2.5 again and uploading the same reference. This time, I'm entering this prompt, a cinematic close-up shot of a sneaker landing on a wet city street. Water naturally splashes out from under the sole. The camera follows the movement in slow motion with dramatic city lights in the background. Maintain the sneaker's shape, metallic silver details, sole design, and realistic commercial style. Starting the generation. Now Seedance has to simultaneously create movement, water, reflections, lighting, and camera motion. Let's take a look at the result. The water splashes look convincing, the movement turned out dynamic, and the lighting immediately makes the scene look like a real sports shoe commercial. At the same time, the sneakers remain similar to the reference. This is exactly where this process becomes especially interesting. We can take a single product image and quickly test completely different advertising ideas. Now, I want to test Seedance in a scene with a person. I'm creating a simple promotional image of a model in my sneakers. The image generation itself isn't the main thing right now, so I'm just picking the best option and moving straight to the video. I'm uploading the image to Seedance 2.5 and entering a prompt. The model is walking confidently through a modern city at night. The camera is moving smoothly alongside him from a low angle. Reflections on the wet street, slight movement of the jacket, realistic gait. The sneaker design needs to remain unchanged and clearly visible. Starting the generation. Let's take a look at the result. The overall movement looks natural. The camera moves smoothly along with the person, and the low camera angle helps keep the focus on the sneakers. But for a short ad clip, the result is already quite suitable. And if a problem appears in one generation, I can simply create another version and choose the best one. Before this, we used an image as a reference. Now let's try to create a scene using only text. I'm opening the video generation section again. I'm leaving Seedance at 2.5. This time I'm not uploading an image. I'm entering the prompt. A futuristic runner stands alone in the center of a dark, modern city at night. Silvery light lines move along the buildings. The camera slowly zooms in on the runner and then transitions into a fast tracking shot as he starts to run. Cinematic, premium sportswear commercial. Realistic human movement. Dramatic atmosphere. I'm starting the generation. Now Seedance has to create absolutely everything from scratch. The character, the environment, the lighting, the movement, and even the camera work. Let's take a look at the result. The main advantage here is obvious. It's speed. I didn't have to create an image from scratch. I just described the scene and got the video immediately. This mode is especially well suited for wide shots, atmospheric scenes, and transitions. In other words, for cases where exact product accuracy isn't the main requirement. Now I want to test if Seedance can create several scenes at once in a single generation. I'm opening the text-to-video feature again and entering a prompt. Create a cinematic sportswear commercial. The first shot is an extreme close-up of a black, futuristic sneaker on a reflective studio surface. The second shot is a runner tying their shoelaces in a dark locker room. The third shot is a runner sprinting through a modern city at night. The final shot is the sneaker landing on wet asphalt with water splashing everywhere, maintaining a consistent visual style, a black and silver color palette, and the smooth rhythm of the commercial. I'm launching the generation, and this is where it gets interesting. Instead of just one single frame, Seedance creates a short sequence of scenes. We get different scenes, different angles, and different camera movements. This is already much more like a real commercial. But if precise product accuracy is important to me, I would create the most important product shots separately, using reference images. Dreamina also has tools for creating digital avatars. I'm creating a portrait of a fictional creative director. Then I open the digital human section and upload an image. I enter the prompt. Nova 1 is created for people who never stop. Lightweight and high performance, futuristic comfort, and a design created for the city of the future. I select a voice and start the generation.
Nova 1 is designed for people who never stop moving. Lightweight performance, futuristic comfort, and a design created for the city of tomorrow.
Now let's assemble the final advertising concept.
Nova 1 is designed for people who never stop moving. Lightweight performance, futuristic comfort, and a design created for the city of tomorrow.
And our ad is ready. Seedance 2.5 looks impressive. So can Dreamina create a commercial without traditional video shooting? For this type of ad? Yes. We got a result that already looks like a full-fledged advertising concept. For me, Seedance 2.5 is the main reason to test Dreamina right now. The link to Dreamina is in the description below this video. And let me know in the comments how you would use Seedance 2.5 and Dreamina in your own advertising concepts. And this was Mike. I really hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next video. So take care and bye for now.